Hello and a warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be on the way very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. The teams then, Saudi Arabia against Iraq. I'm Peter Drury and this is Jim Beglin.
Hi Peter, it's great to be here.
Supporters on all four sides rise for the national anthems. Saudi Arabia proudly line up for their national anthem. Here are the lineups we've just been given. So off we go then. Looks to thread it through. And the defence can get it clear. Not offside that time.
I'm not sure about that call, you know, but we get to see replays.
Looks like a good ball through. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Out wide to the right. That'll be a throw. Into the middle. Good clearance and very necessary. Boots it upfield. Gets it back. Looks to slip it through. Tries to get it forward quickly. Iraq are playing with a pleasing width here.
Especially that front line.
Is it working for you? He's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. Well, that looks like a final warning. Still no card. Tries a through ball. And it's a goal! Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Saudi Arabia take the early advantage. Spoon forward, good challenge, he just stood firm. He's made sure that that won't get through. Now the pass. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The idea was good though, Peter, and I like the run that triggered the pass, but the quality was the problem.
Charges in. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Plays it over to the other flank. He's come through and he's had a quick look inside. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. Cut out in the nick of time. Aimed long and direct. Plays a clever pass. So they got the only goal to give them a 1-0 lead. Away from immediate danger. Questions were asked, but he's given the answers. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Played out to the wing. It's a loose ball. Saudi Arabia are leading with half-time drawing close. Passes it through, and the finish! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Oh, he made that look really easy, Peter, but I can assure you that wasn't a routine save. He had to be very switched on there.
Point-blank header! And oh, he's got that completely wrong.
Well, one moment there was a little bit of space, Peter, they could have worked with, but the next it was shut down, and it was shut down extremely well.
Pumps it upfield. Well positioned to make that interception. It's come loose. Nothing wrong with that tackle. Ball won cleanly. Tries to dink it in. Ball's out on the left now. There's the whistle for half-time.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They worked tirelessly for me.
Saudi Arabia leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. Saudi Arabia carry a 1-goal lead into the second half. Aim forward. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. That really should have hit the net.
Right in front of goal like that, and he's gone and missed it. I won't have to tell him that's not good enough.
Who's going to make this theirs? That intervention was very necessary. Good defending, he knew he had to stop it right there. Spoon forward, that's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Good running with the ball, can they build on it? Done very well to intervene. Tries to get it forward quickly. Goes long and forward. So still just a goal between them. Tries one! He's missed, but not by that far.
Well, if he hopes to do better than that, he's got to work on his technique and his timing. The contact wasn't right there, so there wasn't much chance of success.
Battles to win it back. Ball swung in. That's not going to find its target. Another piece of really good defending.
They're actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
Deftly done. Demanding a quick ball here. Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. Tries a through ball. Drills one in. This could fall anywhere. Could fall kindly. Aimed long and direct. It's put paid to a promising move. Your impression so far, Jim?
They're ahead, but they're not playing as if they are. There seems to be more of an emphasis on protecting their lead than adding to it. It's all gone a little timid.
And out to safety. Out to the flank. Now the cross. Fisted away. Not this time.
Iraq didn't really deal with the wide play. It was a lovely dribble down the flank, but really they've got to double up to try and stop that, and I think with the attempted goal too, they were a little fortunate.
Gets good distance on it. There will be a throw-in. Pumps it into the area. He's dealt with that well. Now the pass, and the flag has stayed down. So close to drawing level.
I think he rushed that. He had a bit more time than he realised. He could so easily have equalised there.
Forward it goes.
Some
Excellent tackling here, and that one a perfect example. Saudi Arabia leading here by this still precarious 1-0 margin. Coaxed out to the wing. Towering header! Oh, just couldn't turn it in.
Well, you can't fault his movement and the way he worked the chance, but maybe he lost a bit of accuracy in trying to put too much power into the header then.
Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there. No complaints about that challenge, robust but fair. Driving on now, what can they conjure from here? That looks a foul, yep, referee's given it. And the referee has shown him a yellow card. Well, that's a foul. Which side of the line is that? The referee has given a free kick just outside the box. And he's going to have his name taken. He's got a chance from here, but not the kindest angle. He went for the curler.
Well, I wasn't expecting him to try his luck from so far out, but that was close. I mean, it kept the keeper on his toes.
Looks like a good ball through. Iraq with a corner and hardly any time left on the clock. Great leap! It's a goal! Tying minutes, and we're all square again. A wonderful delivery, and all it needed was a touch.
Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the aerial department, this fella is definitely no slouch.
So all square with almost no time remaining. Oh, good interception. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Well, no winner here, but an intriguing game. The result probably a fair reflection. It has finished all square. So what do you take away from it all, Jim?
Look, a draw shows a level of industry from both sides here. On that alone, I think it's been quite an interesting encounter, actually.
Well, that's it for tonight's match, so it just remains for me to thank Jim Beglin alongside me and to wish you all a very good evening.